Here we go. We have a question, minimum operations to make uni-value grid. You are given a 2D grid. In one operation, you can either add x or subtract x. A uni-value grid is a grid where all values are equal. We need to return the minimum number of operations to make the grid. So we have given this, and we can add two values or subtract two values. So we can achieve it. So what we will do, uh, what we will do, add x to two ones. So we will add 2 means x only one time on this value. So we will get 4, this value 4 already. Then we will subtract x once only from this value, and we will subtract x 2 times from this value, and all values will become 4. So we did 4 operations in total. Then in this case we have given this grid, and we will make every value is equal to 3, right? We can make every value is equal to 3. So to achieve 3, we will add, our x is 1 only, so we will add 2x from on this value, we will add 1x on this value, we will subtract 2x from this value. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, so the total operations we did is 5. In this case we cannot make all values equal, so the answer is -1. Suppose let's build the approach. So what I will do, so I have given values 15. Here the value is 15. Right, and we need to add 3. So what I will do, so let's first sort it. How sort will be useful, I will tell you. So 2 2, then 3, then 6, then 7, 8 9 9 15. So what I will do, I will make all the values is equal to the middle value, right? So this will be my minimum operation. Why? Because if I will move, I will add some values on this value to achieve the maximum value. It will give me more elements, more operation, because this value will also add some x if I want to achieve the maximum value. So if I want to achieve the minimum value, so the cost will be increased. But if I want to achieve the middle value, the cost is the minimum cost, right? The cost is the minimum cost. So we have given this array, this is the sorted array, and the total number of elements wait a second. Yes, this is a grid of m cross n. Yes, so 3 cross 3 is a valid grid. So what I will do, I will find the middle element. My length is 9, so 9 by 2 will be my middle element, which is 4, fourth index. 0 1 2 3 and 4, this is my middle index. I want to make every value is equal to uni value. So achieve this, add something, and subtract something on the other side. So let's take a valid answer. This is not a valid answer, of course. I hope you already observed this. So if I add 3, so the difference between this and this is not divisible by 3. The difference between this and this is not divisible by 3. So let me take a valid case. In this case the answer is -1, as we already know. So I have taken this example, and in this case we want every value to is equal to 25. Why? Because the length is 9 by 2, which will give us 4. So 0 1 2 3 and 4, I want all the values is equal to this value, right? So how do we achieve this? So first of all, I will take the middle value. This is my expectation is 25. Then this value and this value, I want add some values on this a range. So what is the difference? The difference is 24. The difference is 24. But I can take x number of steps. So if the difference is divisible by 3, then only I can perform this, right? If the difference is 4, if the difference is 4, I cannot perform this. But if the difference is 3, I can perform this. If the difference is 6, I can perform this. I can perform by using two operations, right? So this difference is must be divisible by x. So 24 is divisible by 3. Yes, this is the case. Then how many steps, how many operations do we need to take? 24 divide 3, right? So which will give us 8. So I need to do 8 operations. So 8 times I am adding the operations. So 8 cross 3 is equal to 24, which and 1 I already have, so it will become 25. So I did 8 operations. Operation is equal to 8. So then if I got this value, my expectation is 25. The difference is 21. 21 is divisible by x. I can perform this. So I did divisible. So I got 7. So the number of steps is now 15. Again I have 4 and I want to reach this. What is the difference? 21. 21 by 3, 7. I need to do 7 more operations. So 22, 7. I want to reach 25. So the difference is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, right? Yes. So the difference is 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. How many times do we need to take this? So we need to take it 6 times. 18. Then I got this. What is the difference? Is 0. Is it 0 divisible by x? Yes. How many times do we need to add operation? 0 number of times. The next number is 31. What is the difference between this and this number? It is 7. It is 6. Yes, 6 is divisible by 3. And how many times do we need to take it? We only need 2 times. So 2 is added here. Now let me take an invalid value. Let me take 69 here. What if we got 69? So we want to reach 25. What is the difference? 69 minus 25, which will give us 44. 44. Is 44 divisible by 3? No. It means I cannot perform this operation. If I cannot perform this, I will directly return -1 as my answer. Let's code this. So I need answer. Before this, I need a list. So let me add all values. Then I will sort it. I will find the middle value, which is the expectation. Expectation is list.get of middle value, which is size divide 2. So this is the expectation, and I need to do some operations. Answer will store that. Then I need one more iteration. Find the difference. Math.absolute j minus expectation. If this difference is not divisible by x, directly return -1. Else store how many operations do we need to do. Just return the number of operations. Let's run this. Let's submit this. Then let's discuss about the time and space complexity. This is order of n cross m. Then we are applying sorting. So sorting as usual is n log n, but in this case the element is nm. So it will be nm log nm. Then this is nm only. So the time is dependent on this sorting. What about space? Space is nm, n cross m. That's all. Code is provided in the description box. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching this video.